It's no secret that consumers are actively looking for healthier drink choices. Introducing Cloud Bar, the world's most advanced, fully automated drink platform, created specifically for restaurant owners to increase profits and improve customer experience by serving non-alcoholic premium craft beverages with minimal labor and overhead. The Cloud Bar includes a subscription to new and trendy drink recipes from Botrista's drink library. We partner with world-class baristas on developing the best-tasting recipes and optimizing the mixing process. To serve, simply select the drink from the tablet, and the Cloud Bar will handle the rest by automatically adding the perfect ratio of ingredients and blend to perfection. Restaurant owners can select from popular seasonal drinks every month and easily test demand for new drinks. Give your customers a reason to share on social media. The Cloud Bar, a drink bar that runs itself.